Hanji, good afternoon, everyone. Today, 10th of August 2021, Tuesday, going to start next chapter, first point, chapter 3 from your civics book, that is constitutional design. So we will be going to start this chapter with the introduction as first of all, we have to understand the meaning of these terms. For design, first of all, design means the preparation for anything beforehand in the mind. Whatever we want to go, whatever, if suppose we want to construct a house, before going to construct that, a planning part is there, a designing is there in our mind, how we will be going to make that house. So that is design. If we are going to have any kind of dress material from the market or any kind of, you can say, new things from the market, we have already designed in our mind. We set our goal in our mind what we will be going to buy. और अगर हमने मार्केट पे जाना हो, suppose we have to go for different things, like हमने कहीं कितनी जगह पर जाना हो, then we make a design of our route, कि from which route we will go so that our time convenience and maximum you can say satisfaction with us, क्योंकि हमारा time भी कम लगे और planning के साथ, so that will be a design. Design means the parameter which is being set beforehand or before the execution of a thing. This chapter is containing two words. One is constitution design. Constitution means a law book. Constitution का मतलब क्या है? A law book which have everything included in it, which will be followed by everyone who are the member within that territory of the country. Like our country, India, is a democratic country. How we come to know that we are in a democratic country? We take birth only in 2000, and our country is a democratic country from 1947. How we come to know? This is only the constitution design, the law which we are following. They are giving us proper guidelines, how to run the administration, how to follow all the directions and guidelines, and how to make the planning to run the country in the smooth. There are certain rules and regulations for that. Before proceeding to the next concept, we have given in our chapter the democratic constitution in South Africa. As South Africa is considered as a new model of democracy. South Africa is considered as, हमें पहले कौन सा पढ़ना है? South Africa. South Africa जो है, it is a new model. Democracy. Fine. And it was being achieved in a year 1994. With the struggle for number of years against the apartheid. Apartheid, what does apartheid means? Racial discrimination. Apartheid means the discrimination which was being made by the white settlers with the black and other. White people, they were in the minority, which we have already done in class 7. So 6th में apartheid system हमने किया था. 6th class में हमने apartheid system के बारे में थोड़ा सा किया था. You may forget about that, but we have done that. Apartheid means racial discrimination, means difference on the basis of color. Color means white settlers, as our India was also dominated by the white settlers. They had run rule for 200 years, and after that in 1947 we achieved success. Same way, in South Africa, there was a system which was being done, that was apartheid, means racial discrimination. White people, European people, they were in the minority but having full control over the majority black people as well as colored people. So the racial discrimination was there. कौन-कौन से लोग थे? White people, black people and colored people. Colored people comprising Indian community. Indian community. Indians were there as a laborer and traders. Indians were also living there as a laborer and traders. But all the white people were having full authority and control on the South African country as they had made the system of apartheid. Apartheid means racial discrimination, and there was the separate parks, separate schools, separate restaurants, separate you can say hospitals, bus facility, bus stops, medical facility. Everything was separate for the whites and blacks. Blacks were not at all allowed to get the entry in the white area. That process was known as segregation. Segregation का मतलब होता है अलग अलग करना. Segregate किया हुआ था. Means parks for the whites, blacks and colored were forbidden to get the entry. Hospitals for the whites, blacks and colored were not allowed. They will have their own separate hospitals. But the facility which was considered to be there, that was not properly. अगर हम example लें, ambulance for the white people were fully equipped, but the ambulance for the black people were not having any kind of facility. Only the name was ambulance. So these kinds of discrimination was there with the apartheid, under the apartheid system by the white with the black and colored. Fine. So there was one person, leader, that was Nelson Mandela. Have you ever heard Nelson Mandela? Nelson Mandela was a person who had raised his voice along with the 6 different leaders, and he was put in the imprisonment. Imprisonment होता है jail. उनको जेल में डाल दिया गया for 28 years from 1964 में उनको imprisonment जेल में डाल दिया गया for how many years? 28 years. As he was raising his demand for getting the segregation to be removed and apartheid or racial discrimination to be removed. As he has given the wording that I have fought against white dominion and I have fought against black dominion, I have cherished the idea of democratic free society in which all persons live together in the harmony with equal opportunities. He believed that everyone must have equal opportunity and there must not be any kind of discrimination on the basis of color, on the basis of, you can say, minority and maturity. No doubt, whites were in the minority. 1/4 थे, 3/4 जो थे वो थे blacks or colored. But due to you can say the administrative control, apartheid system was imposed over them. But Nelson Mandela, he want a democratic social free society. चाहते क्या थे? Democratic and social free society in which every person should have equal opportunities. Equal opportunity means every person should get the right to participate according to their capability. If a person is capable, they can do. If a person is not capable, then they have to compete in the competitions. Like in the selection and recruitment of any job. Equal opportunities are being given in India, isn't it? For the selection and recruitment in the government jobs or somewhere in the jobs, there is opportunity for everyone to participate. So he also believed in that parameter. And but if need to be ideal for which I am prepared to die. अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं मिलता और इसको लेने में अगर संघर्ष करने में मेरी जान भी जाती है तो I will be feeling very happy for this. These are the first words which Nelson Mandela has given, and due to this because he was against the apartheid system, he was sent to jail along with his 6 leaders for 28 years. 28 years as he do not want to remain the segregation to be here. So he has made ANC. Next page for page number 42. Turn your page number 42. ANC, African National Congress. African National Congress as umbrella organization. It is being written over there, 6th line. African National Congress was the umbrella organization. Before proceeding to this, I just want to make a clear about umbrella organization. Have you ever heard this word? नहीं. Umbrella का मतलब क्या है? One organization with the motive of different, you can say, problems to be sorted out. Under one name, different types of problem to be sorted out. I'll just give you example. Environment movement. Environment movement, मैंने एक चीज बोली, उसके अंदर अगर मैं कहूँ grow more trees, protect the river water, ठीक है, protect the animal life, natural vegetation and protection to the wildlife by giving the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. That all the movement, Project Tiger, Project White, you can say rhino, white rhino, one on rhino. So that all are comprising under which name? Ecological balance, or you can say natural environment movement. Environment movement के अंदर आएंगे, save water ले लो, environment movement, grow more tree ले लो, environment movement. So when the different things are fall under the one name, that are considered as a umbrella movement. Another example, women movement. Women, they had demanded for right to vote since long. Since long, women had demanded for right to vote, जो कि बहुत सफरेज मूवमेंट के लिए जो है उन्होंने काफी सारा स्ट्रगल किया. Then women also demanded for equal work for equal pay for equal work. Women were discriminated, gender discrimination. ठीक है, girl child was being exploited. Article 23 की protection वो मैं करवाऊंगी आपको. How Article 23 exploitation of the girl and women child for the illegal purpose, sale and purpose, that is also a movement. Women also get demanded for their equal opportunities. ठीक है, women's demanded like you can say 1098 toll free number is being given to us for the protection of women if they are being harassed anywhere. If they are being harassed in the, you can say, mentally, physically, emotionally, even in the workplaces or at domestic violence. So, if they are going to do the movement, or they are going to raise their voice, that will fall under the movement. वो सारे जितने भी मैंने आपको ये पॉइंट्स बताए हैं, ये सारे एक ही नाम के अंदर आते हैं, women movement. So, when the different type of activities are done with the one name, that is called umbrella. I hope it is clear. Umbrella movement पता लग गया. So African National Congress has made an umbrella organization जिनका aim सिर्फ और सिर्फ apartheid को खत्म करना नहीं था, segregation को खत्म करना नहीं था. They want to give equal access to all the community in spite of discrimination was being made by the minority over the majority. Minority over the majority, or you can say they want to give equal access even to the English people, to the colored people, or to the black people, or whether a person is mason, whether a person is cobbler, farmer, policeman, nurse, doctor, anywhere, or a farmer, कुछ भी है, they want to give a equal representation. So, as he is in the leading role, several countries denounce apartheid as unjust. बहुत सारी countries ने कहा कि apartheid system is not at all good system which is going to take the liberty and equality from that common people of Africa. So after that, toward the constitution, next concept क्या आता है? ये सारा तो चला, and Nelson Mandela was the person who has made ANC, African National Congress, as umbrella movement to get the justice be given to all the people living in Africa. So toward the constitution, when these kinds of agitation had taken place, now common people or the white people come to know that now there will be no any kind of long existence to put the dominance over the blacks. So they have to resist their power, they have to limit their power, and they have to give certain controls to black people. So they had given an opportunity to the blacks to go with the path of getting equality, to getting the equal opportunities and getting the democratic government in that country. So the protest struggle, अब उसके लिए कौन-कौन से उन्होंने tools use किए? That was under ANC. ANC के अंदर umbrella movement के अंदर उन्होंने कौन-कौन से tools use किए? That was protest, struggle against apartheid, increased the government rally, realized that they could no longer keep the blacks under their rule and repression. So they have to give the power to the black people. So like in that way, after 28 years of lifetime imprisonment, this Nelson Mandela, he walked out from the jail as a free man, and finally on the midnight of 26, midnight, one more question hai, midnight of 26th of April 1994, he declared Africa as an independent country. So finally, and the new national flag of Republic of South Africa was unfurled, making the newly born democracy. एक नई democracy का जन्म हुआ, और इस country की जो democracy है, it is considered as a best model of democracy ever. सबसे अब हुआ हमारे इंडिया का 1947 में हुआ था, और इसका न्यूएस्ट मॉडल है 1994 के. Making the newborn democracy in the world apartheid government come to an end. यहाँ पर क्या क्या features आए? Apartheid was totally finished, paving the way for the formation of multiracial. Every racial, all the groups are having equal access. All the groups are giving equal opportunities. So here, how did this come about? Let us hear Mandela's first president, who became the first president of South Africa. Who was the first president? That was Nelson Mandela. This is another one mark question. On which day South Africa got independence or become the democratic country? Okay, who became the first president? Now, what he has given on his speech, पहले 28 साल पहले तो उसने कहा कि he has to go against the apartheid, and for getting the equal access, he will be willing to die. Now the independence had come. Now democracy is there. What he has say, historical enemies succeeded in negotiation in peaceful transition of apartheid to democracy. He do not want to get any kind of fight. He do not want any kind of clashes. He wants that the transmission from apartheid to democracy should be in a very cordial way, in a very soft way, and exactly because we are prepared to accept the inherent wish that in South Africa never give up on the belief of goodness. और कभी भी South Africa के लोग जो हैं वो इस चीज को नहीं भूलेंगे कि अपनी goodness को खराब करें और whites के साथ discrimination start. He do not believe in this thing. मतलब he said that every person, whether we are in the majority, should treat the minority in the equal access. We should not forget our goodness. So in this way, that the cherish the faith of human being, every person is considered, because wo Englishmen cannot go anywhere. They have to stay there. So he accommodated them in spite the injustice was being done by them with them, by the white with blacks. But he wanted that the white should not get injustice now if the power is in the blacks hand. Okay? He believed in that and begins to cornerstone of our democracy, and he want that they should be as the important element for our democracy. So next, after the emergence of the new democratic government in the South Africa, black leader appealed to follow blacks and forgive about the injustice which was being done by the whites. जो भी whites ने injustice किया है उसको हम लोग भूल जाएं, और जो भी हमने करना है वो हम लोग एक जैसा करेंगे, because everyone is a human being. So and appreciate and committed while in the power. He said, they said, let us build a new South Africa based on equality of all races. These are the feature of new institution. He believed that equality must be the base of our constitution. All the religion, all the races should get equal access. ठीक है, and the party that ruled through oppress and brutal killing and the party that led the freedom struggle sat together. चाहे पार्टी कोई aggressive में थी, whites were against the blacks, चाहे वो blacks के against में थी, now they have to sit together to set the model of a democracy and draw up the common constitution. This was the main, you can say, mindset of Nelson Mandela with the broadened vision, with the widened vision to make a country as a truly democratic country by forgiving about the injustice which was being done by the whites over the blacks. Is it okay up to this? Any doubt to anyone? Clear hai? Next point देखिए. Wait. After 2 years of discussion, अब कितना टाइम लगा इसको बनने में? 2 years. After 2 years of discussion and debate, they come out with one of the finest constitution, gave its citizen the most extensive right available to any country. Extensive right means बहुत ज़्यादा right, हर एक को, without any discrimination on the basis of color. And together they decided in the search for a solution to the problem. Nobody should be excluded. No one should be treated as demand. They agreed that everyone should become a part of the solution, whatever they might have done in the representative in the past. So the preamble of the constitution is given in the picture on page number 43. You can see here all the persons were having equal access. Is it okay? यहाँ पर कोई डाउट? नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, इसमें मैंने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बताना है आपको. द साउथ अफ्रीकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंस्पायर्ड डेमोक्रेसी ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. साउथ अफ्रीका की डेमोक्रेसी जो थी, दैट इज वेरी यूनिक, डिफरेंट एंड इंस्पायर अदर कंट्रीज डेमोक्रेसी आल्सो, in fact our Indian democracy also. A state denounced by the entire world till recently as most undemocratic one was now seen as a model of democracy. How? क्वेश्चन लिखिए. A state denounced by, यहीं पर अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए इसे कोई. A state denounced by the entire world till recently and becoming undemocratically once is now seen as a model of democracy. For which country these lines are depicting? ठीक है. These lines depicting for the in context to which country? Explain its features. Then can you give the features of South Africa Constitution? दे सकते हैं? ठीक है, इस तरह से क्वेश्चन. और justify the statement. और justify the statement. So next आ जाता है आपका next question. हो गया? Point समझ आ गया? In this way, और ये क्वेश्चन assertion में भी आ सकता है. Finest model of democracy, ये पूरी लाइन बता के assertion. Reasoning में कोई और point, whether it will be true or not. According to it will be true. According to not accommodating, then it will be false. Assertion reasoning में भी ऐसी lines आनी है. Got it? So this is one practice for you for assertion reasoning. Next line is also depicting about assertion reasoning. Just wait. Let me do this. What made change possible was determination of the people of South Africa to work together. Next as the to transform. अब यहाँ से underline करिए, यहाँ पर invited comma begins करिए. To transform bitter experience into the binding glue of a rainbow nation. These lines are depicting for which country? ठीक है? And justify the statement. Is these lines assertion? If this is assertion, then reasoning is it it is seen as a model of democracy. Reasoning अगर ऐसे दी जाए, it will be true. Assertion is the reasoning is the right explanation of assertion, isn't it? So यहाँ पर हमारे assertion reasoning दो हो जाते हैं इसी पैराग्राफ. क्लियर है या नहीं है? नहीं क्लियर हुए? फिर देखो. Clear? So as Mandela said, Mandela क्या कह रहे हैं? Nelson Mandela क्या कह रहे हैं? The Constitution of South Africa speaks both
past and future. On one hand, it is solemn fact in which we as the South African declare one another that we shall never permit to repetition of the racist, brutal and repressive past. हम लोग आज के बाद कभी भी racism, brutal past जो बहुत भयानक हमारा पुराना रहा है जिसमें हमने बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और सेग्रीगेशन फेस किया, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. And permit and but it is more than that, it is also a charter for the transformation of our country into one which is truly shared by all the, whether they are peasants, whether they are farmers, they are army persons, they are doctors, nurses, kuch bhi hai, they all are having equal access. A country which is fullest sense belonging to all of us, black and white, women and men, all will be considered as equal. Is it okay up to this?
Yeah.
I hope it is clear. Next concept, why do we need constitution? I will do it tomorrow. Fine.